Cindy from My Style Spot, and today I am talking hair. Many of us love coloring our hair. As some of us are getting older, we got to cover up those grays. It's a lot of upkeep, unfortunately. My hair tends to be natural brown, but I usually tend to highlight it and have some blonde in it, but it has been a minute. My blonde has grown out quite a bit, but I do still have some highlights. So I like to keep that blonde strong and pretty and brilliant. And there's a couple good tips to do that. Lay off the heated styling tools. I know it can be tough, but in the summer, it's easier for me to just put them to the side. I don't even want to deal with them. So try to go for more natural wavy looks like I'm doing today. And this is really simple. When my hair is wet, I just braid it in the back and then let it dry that way, and then it comes out with natural waves. So I don't have to worry about using heated styling tools. This is gonna help my blonde stay longer. Love it. Another one is don't wash every day. This is also easy for me because I have dry hair. So I try to extend washes 2 or 3 days. For me, I find that works best and it helps keep moisture in my hair as well. And of course, keeps the blonde going. So those are a few of my tips. And then of course, a very hydrating mask is a major must. And of course, the right shampoo. For many of us, we know we need you've got to have shampoo specifically for blonde hair. I'm really excited because one of my favorite hair care brands and sites, Ugly Duckling Color, has sent me some really awesome, brilliant blonde products. Check out my video below. I worked with them before and using some really awesome blonde hair coloring. And these are salon quality products, you guys. Like, you need a salon professional to get them for you, but totally worth it if you can. They are amazing. My hairstylist loved their coloring so much and said it was like one of the best, if not the best, she's ever used. So anyway, today we're here with the Brilliant Blonde. We've got the shampoo with Bond Protect and the mask with Bond Protect. These are a couple of great products I've really enjoyed using the last couple weeks. They are amazing. They are salon quality, like I said, but they are anti-breakage. They will also plump hair and really smooth it out and make it feel soft, which my hair has felt like so soft and amazing since using it. I've absolutely loved it. It will also make hair stronger. It's gonna make it shinier as well. And these products are sulfate and gluten-free, and they have low pH. It contains malic acid and glycol acid, which makes hair stronger and is gonna help prevent damage in the future. It really does a great job too of closing the hair cuticles. So it's going to prevent split end and damage, and then strengthen the hair and keep it more resilient to that as well. It's great for any hair type. Of course, if you are blonde, you're really going to want to use it if you have highlights. But just a great overall shampoo and mask that I know you're going to love, and works for every hair type, even if your hair is thinning. This is a really great one for that. It's going to make it stronger and more plump, which is awesome. Recommended to use right after coloring or to extend your color, so anytime's a good time to use it. Just nice and creamy. Really makes my hair feel moisturized, which I love because my hair tends to be very dry, like I said. And the mask is like super uber rich and creamy. I love it. It just feels amazing in my hair. And I put it on my hair, towel dry my hair, put it up in a towel, and then I blast it with a blow dryer. That heat's gonna really help this Brilliant Blonde mask just really penetrate the hair deeply, make it stronger. You're gonna get all the benefits, maxed by doing that. So just a really great tip that I found very helpful. A little deep treatment is always good. So they both contain just natural ingredients and organic compounds. So again, really great for your hair, as you can tell. loved using it. It's made my hair feel so soft, and it's been so pretty and smooth, and the blonde has seemed more brilliant. I know what's there, it's not much that's there anymore, but has made it just more glossy and brilliant looking, radiant, and my hair just overall feels so much better. It feels so soft, so smooth. It's felt plumper and stronger, and I just love that. So I'm going to continue using these products. I'm really excited about it. They are amazing. You can try Brilliant Blonde from Ugly Duckling by checking out uglyducklingcolor.com. Again, these are professional salon quality products, so you're going to need a professional to order them for you. So ask your hairstylist, hopefully she can hook you up. Totally worth it if you can get it, amazing. So be sure to check them out, you guys. I know you're gonna love it. I love the Brilliant Blonde. I'm so excited to continue using it and just get all the major benefits and prolong the blonde and make it healthy. And yeah, I need to get back in and get my hair colored again now that COVID-19 is finally loosening up. So I'll definitely be doing that. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for free, awesome weekly content. I really appreciate it. If you have any comments below, if you've tried anything from Ugly Duckling Color or the Brilliant Blonde, let me know. I would love to hear about it. If you have questions, happy to ask as well. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you next time.